Hey guys, it's Lyle, and today I'm cooking Campfire Lobster. For the sides, I also have asparagus and a little bit of chicken that we're going to cook up to take home. We drove out across the lake on the boat, and we're cooking in the Dutch oven today, so that's going to be something new to the channel. Later on in the video, we're also going to check out some waterfalls that, on a portage that go in between one of the lakes here. And I'm going to take you over to the campfire here. We're going to show you the supplies that we have to cook with. Over at the campfire here, we have the Dutch oven, and it's already at a boil. Ready for the lobster. Lobster tails there, sitting all frozen right now. We have some seasoning to put on, salt, the garlic butter here. We got our asparagus, and a nice little area to clean up afterwards. So what we're going to be doing is we'll be boiling the lobster tails. Boil them for, 4 ounces is 5 minutes. And then if they're a little bit bigger, maybe do it a little bit longer. But you're able to see once the shells start to go red, that's how you can tell. And also should be tender with poking it with a fork or whatever. So we're going to give that a cook now. Amazing. Four lobster tails ready to go. Got the asparagus on now. Getting that going. Just gonna give her a nice steam here. Right now in the background we have the other guy working on the deck. What? Huh? So we have the butter in the pan ready, the asparagus cooking, the lobster cooking. One thing that's really cool about this meal is boiling lobster comes out delicious, but it's also really easy to do. So we're just sitting here at the moment, asparagus steaming, lobster going, and we can just relax right now. Don't forget to stay tuned for the waterfall that we're going to be doing. It's actually just back that way, but we will be taking the boat over to it. I think these lobsters are a little bit bigger than 5 ounces, so we're just going to boil them a little bit longer, but our 5-minute timer is already finished. Beauty. Just about ready to eat. I'm gonna make the plates. So I don't like the mukbang videos, but I'll show breaking them open a little bit. Garlic butter. We're gonna enjoy this food and stay tuned for afterwards.
Tons of wild asparagus, eh? Not as much up here, but down south it was all over the place.
As an added bonus to the lobster cooking, today we have some barbecue chicken that we're cooking on the grill. It's a good way to do it up. You cook it there and already cooked chicken. You can even add extra barbecue seasoning. Take it home, it's delicious having that grill taste on there. We got that chicken finished up here, looking pretty good. Stay tuned. Right now we're going to be checking out those waterfalls. So I'm going to rip out in the boat. Got the 9.9 Mariner on the 14-foot aluminum, and we're going there right now.
We're there. We was over there.
Yeah, I can see them. Okay guys, I'm in the river now. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the lobster. Hope you like the fish. I'm going to post another separate video for that. Have a good day guys.